So check this out. You've probably never even heard of this form, and it's my owner payment arrangement form. And what I use this for, I'll have to tell you about it, but this allowed me to legally take over payments from an RV owner who wanted to get out from their unit, but they didn't want to rent it out and they didn't want to let you consign it, but they were willing to let you buy it. So they agreed to allow me to take over the payments and maybe put a certain amount down or what have you. And again, I had this one drafted by an attorney. This wasn't just something I found on the internet. Nobody even had anything like that. But yeah, this is a really robust form. I only use it probably 5 times in all the years that I did it. It was hard to convince people to let me just take over their unit and rent it out, and I'd fully cover it and be liable for everything, and I would take over the payments. But no, I got creative over the years and I made it work. But yeah, this form is what I had to put in place to make that happen. So that's another way that you can absolutely get more units into your fleet and take over ownership of them, so you're making more money. But yeah, you will definitely need a form like this to do that.